What is going on, guys? My name is Flex. I appreciate you clicking this video. It's been a while since I've done a video on data entry jobs. Data entry is still very much in demand, and I wanted to do a video just highlighting 3 companies that are hiring for data entry roles right now, beginning with this one, and the company name is ExamWorks. Now, they are giving priority to people who have experience in medical bills, ICDs, and CPTs. You can Google that if you want more information. We're not going to get into much more into this video on that, but you want to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you some top in-demand skills that you need to know to be an incredible, proficient, experienced data entry professional. If you are to join ExamWorks as a data entry associate, you will be making the best decision you ever made, as they claim, as they are seeking somebody with medical billing savvy professional skills and important details oriented person. So if you can work in a fast-paced, growing environment, you'll be great for this position. This is a 100% remote position, but you have to be available between the 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Times, Monday through Friday. A lot of folks right now watching thinking, I'm in India, I'm in Nigeria, I'm outside the United States. This position is in the United States, but in a second, if you stick around, I'm going to show you one that you can pretty much perform anywhere in the world. So for my folks who are always commenting about jobs outside the United States, stick around. We're going to look at one in a second. I appreciate you for subscribing. If you are not a subscriber and watching right now, please do so and hit the bell notification so you get updates when I drop new videos. Now, this position as a data entry associate with ExamWorks, the hourly rate is between $16 and $16.50, so just 50 cents different. If you're ready for a change, then they want to hear from you in terms of what you will be doing. You'll be gathering, organizing, and preparing source documents for data entry into the appropriate system databases. And that's one top skill that you need to know in terms of being a professional data entry specialist, is being versed in database tools or database softwares. Attention to detail is also very good, so you'll be able to review data for discrepancies, missing pages, or informational, and resolve discrepancies by using standard procedures. You also enter both alphabetical and numerical data from source documents into the proper system database, follow data program security practices, and routinely source information by completing database backup daily. So that's some things that you'll be doing. Why they're looking for somebody who is versed in medical field is because you will be doing work that pertains to HIPAA regulations. So that, HIPAA is like people's, medical records and personal information, things like that. No degree specified for this one, but a minimum of 6 months related experience or high school diploma or equivalent combination of training and experience. So you must possess a complete knowledge of general computer, fax, copier, scanner, telephone, experience, can work with Microsoft Word. If you have understanding of HIPAA regulations and compliancy, and you can really type fast, then you'll be great for this position. Now they have, in terms of what they offer, in addition to that $16.50, competitive benefits, paid time off, and 401k. That stuff is really good, so you can start building that retirement savings. So that's the number one job that we're gonna look at in this video. It's a data entry associate, and it's with ExamWorks. All the links are gonna be down below in the description, so definitely click those and take advantage of it. Hit the bell notification so you get updates every time I drop a new video, so you don't click the link and it says the position has been filled. Now this next one is from Connections Academy by Pearson. If you are anyone who is interested in furthering your education, then you've probably come across Pearson. I recently just took a certification and it was by Pearson. They have testing centers all over the United States, and their testing centers are pretty much accredited and trusted by educational bodies. Now Pearson also has its tuition-free accredited online public schools for K through 12 students, where as a teacher you can teach kids online. So you will help students of all ages, primarily K through 12, thrive. And if you have experience as a teacher, then they are looking for you to teach virtually in their Pearson virtual school. So this is a work from home job as a teacher assistant, who will be part of a team of educators providing instructional support to Connections Academy schools and district programs. So the teaching certification is not required to be a teaching assistant, but it's a data entry role that you will be entering data, including course reductions, clerical work, setting up messaging boards and landing pages, sending out reminder messages to students and families, taking attendance, updating educational recordings to match requirements, and other duties as assigned. So if you're looking to be a teacher, if you're looking to be an educator, if you're in college right now, whether you are looking for side time work or part-time work or side gig work, or just want to get some experience under your belt or network, this is an incredible opportunity for you to be an educator as a teaching assistant. Something that you can go to class, come back, do, and say, hey, listen, when you start interviewing, you can say I did this, or you just network with the teachers that you'll be assistant. Now, if you have a laptop and headset, this would be great for you. High school diploma or GED, technologically proficient, so Google Apps for education, learning management platforms, HTML, things like that. Strong administrative skills, ability to use discretion, ability to work 20 hours a week, and 1 year of experience is preferred. That's some of the things that they're looking for in terms of your behavior. If you match that criteria, the link is down below in the description. Real quick, as a teaching assistant with a Pearson Virtual School, you'll be making $14 an hour remotely in the United States. So 20 hours a week, $14 an hour, helping teachers and students virtually. It's an incredible opportunity if you want this as a side gig, if you're somebody who's interested in being an educator and want some experience under your belt. So this next job is one from CareMedX. And this job, I have talked about it, I think this is the 3rd time on this channel, because it's pretty much always open. CareMedX is always looking for a senior data entry specialist. If you watch any one of my videos about data entry, you might find this job there. And guarantee you, if you click the link next month, it's gonna still be open. I don't think it's because they are having trouble filling this role, just because it's a large corporation, large company, and the need is there. This one is a little bit steep in terms of requirements. 3+ years of experience, ability to communicate effectively, strong computer skills, and things like that. As a senior data entry specialist, pretty much in Maryland, for example, you as a top earner can make $33 an hour. The 75th percentile of people making $24 an hour, on average, are making $23 an hour. So below that, people are making $16 an hour. So top of the top, you can make $6 to $8 grand a year with CareMedX as a senior data entry specialist. And pretty much not going to waste time going through all the job responsibilities, but with over 2 years of experience in professional work, whether it's through experience that you gain from the teaching assistant position or the data entry associate position, you can bargain on making 70 grand an hour. But I just wanted to highlight this one again because it's one that's always open. You can also check CareMedX for other data entry roles, but I wanted to highlight this senior data entry role and show you how much money you can make, up to almost 7 grand as a senior data entry specialist. So all the links are down below in the description. We looked at one with ExamWorks as a data entry associate. We looked at one with Academy by Pearson, Connections Academy by Pearson as a virtual teaching assistant, and a senior data entry role. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. My name is Flex. Do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, and peace.